Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Masterkey without his mask. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw in his eyes, and his eyes are a little bit bigger than the other characters. So we're going to draw one curve on the top, and then slant it in. And same thing on the other side. So it's one line, a little bit curved. And then once you have that, just slant it down on the side. And then just go ahead and connect it on the bottom. So same thing here. Slant down and just connect that. Alright, and then from there we're going to draw in the eyeballs. So it's just going to be almost like a half circle inside. And then I'm going to draw another circle for the highlight, and then I'm going to shade around it. Alright, so those are his eyes, and then let's go up and finish the eyebrow. So for the eyebrow, just kind of draw a little curve going up, and then slant it down on the ends, on the back. So curve up, and then come down. I know it's a little bit tricky, this character. Okay, and then once you have that, just kind of give it a little bit thickness here. Let's go up, slant down, close it, go up, and close everything off. Okay, and then from there, let's draw in his nose. So on the bottom, on the corner of the eye here, let's draw two little marks, and then we'll close it off with a slight angle. And then come down for his mouth. I'm going to give him a little bit of smile. So slanting up, and then for the lower lip, just another shorter line on the bottom. Okay, so those are the facial features, and let's finish off the face. So on the side here, this is going to be pretty straight coming down all the way here to the mouth. And then once you get to the mouth area, you're going to taper it in to finish off the chin. Close it off. And then we're going to draw in the top, so we're going to close this off. And we're going to extend this line here. This is going to be his little bandana. Extend it and go up. Just draw one section, just one rectangle. And then for the details inside, let's just go ahead and finish this off. So right in the middle, just draw a little rectangle, and then next to it, just a little bar. Okay, and then let's finish off the bottom first. So we're gonna come down, just gonna cap that off. And then his hair, it's got a little strand right here. I'm just gonna draw a small little strand, curve, and then just close it off. And then now we can finish up the top of the head. The top of his hair. So this one's gonna slant up, and this one's gonna slant up a little bit higher. And then this one's gonna go all the way up, and then come back down. So it's very angular. And then we can add in one little strand in here on the back. And then for some details inside, draw one curve like this. Okay, so that's one big strand, and then right here, just go up, and then one more. And we can add in a little bit more hair detail here. Just give it a little bit, some marks going up. Alright, so that's his head, and let's move on to the body. He's got a really big collar right here. So run this next to his hair strand right here. It's gonna curve out and then come back in toward the chin, and then we'll come down. Same thing here. And once you have these lines, just curve it. Same thing on the top, just connect everything. So that's his collar. And then for his neck, we can just draw in 2 lines inside. Alright, so that's the head. So the body for the rest of this is gonna be the same as the mask version. Okay, so let's start out here. Corner, going out to his shoulder. And then we're gonna pinch it all the way down. Let's give it a slight curve on the bottom. And then we're gonna come back up here. Come straight down. To finish off the jacket, we're just gonna close everything off. Okay, and then on the inside here, go up slightly, draw 2 lines, that's gonna be his belt. And then let's finish up the inside here. I'm gonna draw 1 curve, another one, and then in the middle, which is a little bar. And then right here it's gonna have a key. Well, it's got a bunch of keys, but I'm just gonna draw 1. So just 1 circle, another circle inside. Just a key coming down, 1 little bar, and a little bit for the tip. Alright, so before we draw in the details on the jacket, let's just go ahead and finish up his arms first. So here's his armpit. Shoulders coming down. And for his bicep, curve, come back up here. So it's a little bracket. Lower arm, flare out. This one's gonna curve in, and this one's almost straight down. Close it off. And then for his fist, little hook. Back of the fist, just round it off and close it off. Alright, so same thing on the other side, just come across. Here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down. Same thing here, out, come back up here. Bracket. Lower arm, flare out. Curve, straight down. And then same thing for the fist. Slant it in with a little hook. Back of the fist. Curve and close. Alright, so now let's draw in the awesome looking details for his jacket. So right here on the shoulder, I'll draw 1 bar across. Divide that up. And then from the armpit here, right here, go toward the armpit. So start up here, straight down to the armpit. And then for the details in here, let's just draw in 2 little squares first. So just draw like a little bracket around the square, leave a little bit of space here, and then from this little space, let's draw 2 lines all the way up and down. Okay, so same thing here. Draw 2 lines and just come in, create a little bracket. Straight down and then go up. Okay, and it's got a little bit of striping here. So this one's easy, just come in, just go back out. So come in, go back out. Same thing here. Alright, so that's his upper body. Yeah, it's got a really cool looking jacket. Alright, so now for his legs, in the middle here, come down. Draw 1 little curve, come back to the middle, another curve. Come out here, come inside of the jacket a little bit, flare out, come in, come here, flare out. It's a little bit poofier this time. And this one's going all the way down to his knee, so we're gonna close this off. So let's draw on the other side. Down angle, close it off. And then for its lower leg, it's really simple. Flare out, slight curve, and this one is almost straight down. Close it off. And then for its shoes, dome shape coming down, the side's gonna go out a little bit more. Close it, and then we'll add in one section. And let's draw in the other one before I draw in the details. So flare out, curve, straight down, close it off, and then same thing here. Dome shape coming down. This one's gonna go out a little bit more. And same detail. Alright, and then for his lower leg, he's got a bunch of straps. So I'm just gonna draw in some lines across, but just give it at a slightly different angle. So it looks like wrappings. Okay, so just go across. Just give it different angles. Alright, nice and simple. And then it's got a little pouch here. So come out, just come back in, just round it off. And then the little flap in here, just draw a little angle. And then I know it's got two straps, so I'm just gonna draw one. And then a little buckle detail. And that is it for this Masterkey. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.